What you don't need, don't take it with you today. No, don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river, you can live your life in free flow.
Enjoy lang na to ang day. One day lang in our entire life. Kaysa lang yun may kaslon. Renewal na lang next time.
It's a brand new day. 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 It's a new day. It's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day.
Si Robel Altia, nakilala ko na siya sa Cotabato Electric Cooperative. Batchmate niya na, sabay mi nagsulod. Antod sa kami gid ang nag-inamigo.
Since kami man na magka-batch, so we tried our best na i-welcome ang each other since mga bagome.
Kato nga time, wala man gid mi na fling-ting gid kami da sa sa may hotel ko antod sa nihawa ko dito sa sa company. Nagsulod ko sa Bureau of Fire Protection.
Siguro na-feel na ko nga reglahi gid ay kung wala siya. So we tried again after niya nagawa sa training. And dito nagpadayon na.
Wala mi ka wala na mo na expect na hulugay kaming duwa anagon.
Be the green, I'll be the red. You're in my heart, you're in my head. Waking up to brown and blue, and all I see are colors in you. In my heart, in my colors in you.
So kanibay ako ang gifts kay I want something na magamit ninyo. Magamit yun ninyo siya. So wala budget sa cash. Pero kanina siya, and also nagbutang kog messages for you. And yeah. There. Yeah, it's great.
And all I see are colors.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Muli ako ang regalo sa inyo. Very special. Mga 5 years gina ako naging naunaan yung regalo ba?
Amazing.
So, yeah. Indot kayo ni siya para magwapo mo sa mga.
All the fire, bright blue sky.
Wow.
Squinty eyes.
Oh, inyo na kita kami pangalan na.
Apaka-angas.
Hello, Mambel. Gift from your beloved husband.
Thank you. Hi, Balanga. Kani nga gift unta digigid nimo ni butang sa kilid ra. Kay humot kayo baya na murag ako. Ha. Bitaw lang ga. Unta i-treasure ni man niya as my first gift ko sa imo as mag-asawa na. I love you always. Bana mo nga dako ko og paghigugman.
I pray the happiest ending is written for you and me. You're the prettiest girl in the world. Yes, you are. You're the sweetest soul I could wish for. Want your love in every flavor. You're the sweetest. You're the sweetest.
From Robel.
Wow, thank you.
I told you before, right? Yes, you are. You're the sweetest soul.
To the love of my life, we're finally here. Let's enjoy the day and worry about everything else next time. Today's our day, let's not waste a minute of it. I love you, happy wedding day, your wife, Abel. Ate-ate ko da nga na-shock ko. Wow! Wow! diri.
Lock together. Joy is the glue that keeps hearts close when life gets messy. The joy that keeps us together. And that joy is coming from the Lord.
Panginoon, ang nais ko.
Finally, ngoon dyan ni Andy na ilet go natin. Janice! Pero bitaw, I'm so happy for you and I wish nothing para sa inyong marriage ni Rod but happiness and kabalo ko na you will go far basta as long as together mo. I love you.
Thank you, Mars. Love you. Thank you.
Wala tayo nga, Prit.
Matatagpuan sa iyong laman.
Hi, love. My Robel. I ask God for this. Nabibigyan ako ng isang partner na may takot sa kanya at yung partner na maging helper ko forever to serve Him. At ngayon, nandito ka na sa aking harapan. At ikaw na yon, Robel Athea Galay.
I'm happy because I think God really led us to each other despite how many times we tried to start the relationship.
Ang pagpuri ko ay tanging sa'yo, sa'yo lamang iniaalay. O Panginoon, ang puso ko sa'yo magpakailanman. Ang pagpuri ko ay tanging sa'yo, sa'yo lamang iniaalay. O Panginoon, ang puso ko sa'yo magpakailanman.
So, this is it mo na gini. So, akong wish lang sa tuwa as couple, as bago nga newlywed or new family, ang forgiveness, i-exist lang nato permanente para magluway ta. Kagi, ano lang nato si Lord permanente as the center of everything. Eh, kung wala gid siya, wala gid ta. I love you, Palangga, and hoping see you in altar.
Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim at sasambahin ka sa dakong lihim. Mananatili sa iyong lilim nang masumpungan ka sa dakong lihim.
From this day on, I promise to keep choosing you, making memories with you, living life with you, and chasing dreams with you. Wherever we want to go, we'll get there because you have me and I have you. I love you forever and always.
Let us request Roderick to kiss Ruben and let us give them another round of applause.